In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone on Zangi. If you're getting unwanted messages or calls, blocking is a quick way to restore your peace without deleting your account or changing your number. The best part is that the person you block won't receive a notification. They'll simply be unable to reach you. Start by opening the Zangi app and navigating to the chat or the profile of the person you want to block. You can get there from your recent conversations list, or by using the search bar to find their name if you haven't chatted recently. Take a moment to make sure you've got the right contact, especially if you have multiple people with similar names. It's always better to double-check before you proceed. Once you're in the chat, tap their name or profile at the top of the screen to open their contact details. This takes you to the contact info page, where you'll typically see their display name, profile photo, and other basic details. Think of this page as the hub for managing how you interact with this person. If you opened their profile from somewhere else in the app, you'll end up at the same place, so either route works. From the contact info page, look for the option labeled Block or Block Contact and select it. Depending on your device, this option might be visible on the screen or tucked behind a menu icon, such as 3 dots or a More button. When you choose Block, Zangi will prevent that person from calling or messaging you, and you won't see new activity from them. Some apps show a brief confirmation prompt. If you see one, it's simply there to make sure you meant to take this action. A few helpful notes to keep in mind. Blocking does not delete the chat history you already have on your device. If privacy is a concern, you can manage your conversation history separately at any time. Also, while the blocked person won't be notified, they may notice that their messages or calls don't go through. If you ever change your mind later, you can return to the same contact info page and reverse the action. That's all there is to it. Open Zangi and go to the chat or profile. Tap their name to open the contact info and select Block. With just a few taps, you can take control of your inbox and keep your communication experience distraction-free. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you manage your contacts confidently.